students, assalamu alaikum. Very welcome to you all. This is Mr. Taleb Ali, instructor English, TC Thakurga, your English teacher. Come back to you with online English class. Now you are passing many bad and hard times due to COVID-19. Don't worry. You know, after the heavy rain, we can see the sunshine by the grace of Almighty Allah. As you are energetic, brave and active, always keep your spirit up. Be confident, work hard, and pay attention to your study to achieve your success. Try to be a good partner, a good friend, a good soul who is honest, trustworthy, and responsible to the society as well as the country. Follow the rules of hygiene, keep social distancing, stay home, stay safe. I wish you all the very best. Make appropriate sentences from the following substitution table. There are three columns, column A, column B, and column C. Match the columns to make appropriate and meaningful sentences from this substitution table. The moon has a great appeal to poets and artists, irrespective of young and old. She has no light of her own, but she reflects the light of the sun. The sun pours forth vast flood of light for which the moon shines at night. To illuminate the earth, the moon reflects a small fraction of brightness which attracts the attention of all. The moon's light fully depends on the gift of the sun, which is a vast star and has light of its own. এই টেবিলের মধ্যে কয়েকটি নতুন শব্দ আছে, যেমন পোর মানে পতিত হওয়া, ইলুমিনেট আলোকিত করা, ইরেসপেক্টিভ নির্বিশেষে, অ্যাট্রাক্টস আকর্ষণ করা, ভাস্ট মানে বিশাল, ডিপেন্ড মানে নির্ভর করে। Many diseases are rising at an alarming rate. Experts believe that it is due to environmental pollution. Pollution appears to be greater in urban areas. Today, city people suffer many more diseases. Adulterated food is also responsible for those diseases. Education is not mere bookish knowledge, rather, it is much more than that. A truly educated man knows how to lead a happy and useful life as a good citizen of the country. On the other hand, without wisdom, we cannot make the best use of our knowledge, and so we remain foolish. Again, the lack of wisdom cannot be compensated for by knowing a lot. So, we need a special kind of education which will train us to use our knowledge wisely. The role of women in nation building can't be denied anymore in the secession of the world. It is not possible for any nation to reach its goal without allowing the women folk to play their active role. There was a time when women were looked upon without any dignity and honor. They were the only instrument to serve the family affairs. But with the time of progress, the outlook and attitude of the world towards women has changed. Rohingya crisis is a pressing problem for Bangladesh in the recent time. The crisis arises from geopolitical, racial, and communal factors and killing of thousands of innocent Rohingya Muslims. The brutal Burmese junta instigates the crisis and redeemed the humanity, giving shelter, providing foods and clothing, Bangladesh has attracted of the world community, and our Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has been endowed with the title of Mother of Humanity. For saving lives, these ill-fated people are migrating to Bangladesh as it is safe abode of these refugees. বিভিন্ন গ্রামার বই থেকে প্র্যাকটিস করবা, বিশেষ করে বাংলাদেশ টেকনিক্যাল এডুকেশন বোর্ডের গত বছরগুলোর ফাইনাল পরীক্ষার কোশ্চেন, যেমন 2017, 2018, 2019 এবং 2020 সালের প্রশ্নগুলো থেকে এই ম্যাচিং বা মেক সেন্টেন্স আইটেমগুলো তোমরা খাতায় প্র্যাকটিস করবা এবং নোট খাতায় উঠে রাখবা। এটাই তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। স্টে হোম, স্টে সেফ, স্টে উইথ ইউর স্টাডি।
Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, I had fun today. I had fun today. I had fun today. I had fun today. Goodbye.